Hi there. In this video, I will show you how to find the binomial distribution probability in here. So you can copy the code from the file right here. Go down to find the binomial distribution. So just a quick review. So binomial distributions over here. So we have this one. We're going to choose the B for stand for binomial distribution, and the N will be sample size, and P for the probability. And Q, which is the complements of the probability, so 1 minus P. So you have in here. So with that in mind, we can find the mean by equal to the sample size times probability, and the standard deviation is to be the square root of the sample size, the probability, and the complements of that one. Okay, so we're gonna jump into the question like this. Now, a large fast food restaurant have a promotional game where the game pieces can be found in various products. Customers can win food or cash prizes. According to the company, the probability of winning a prize, either large or small, with any eligible purchase is 5%, when you 0.05. So consider to the next 20 purchases. So that's it, that give you the N value would be equal to 20. Yeah. And then over here, this one here is a probability right here of winning a 0.5. So over here, I will have that P equal to 0.05. Right, so I have that part right there. And then over here, if you have to find the mean in this question, they don't have it, but some question they will ask, so you're going to do this one. So I can do over here. So Q equal to 1 minus P, right? So when you do this one right here, so you have this would be 95%. It's going to show for you right here. That means 0.95. You have it there. So now they ask you, in the next 20 purchases, so what is the chance, what the probability that you're going to win 3 prizes, regardless big or small, doesn't matter. So this is what we're going to use right here, right? So for this one right here, so I'm going to do over here, I'm going to use D binomial distribution over here, and I will have K, in this case will be 3, and then N, we have to put N first, right? And then we put P, yeah, like that. So it's gonna call the value of N and P is right here. You have that part. So when you do like this, you will have the answer over here. That would be around almost 6% right here, right? 6% chance that you win 3 prizes for them by 20 purchases. And then now this one here is say the chance to win more than 4 prizes. So we're gonna do right here. See, is it more than? So that can be greater. So that's what you're gonna use. This one right here. Okay. So this one is meaning that you take the. Let's take a look right here. So you have here. This is probability to win less than or equal K. Then you're gonna use here. So more than this. So that means I will take 1, the whole thing. I subtract this, and I will have this one right here. That's what it comes from, right? So remember, binomial distribution is discrete. So you have the equal and have no equal, it means something. So be careful when you're doing that part. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one over here. So this one, I'm gonna go back here. We want more than 4 prizes, right? So according to the formula right here, so we're gonna change this one too. This one will be 4. So I have in here, right? So I copy this. So that means I take 1, I subtract the less than or equal 4, then I will have more than 4, right? So this is the value I have right here. So I copy this one, and then I'm gonna paste over here. Yeah, and then now the one between 2 and 3 that included, right? So now be careful, included, I mean including 2 and 3. Over here they say less than but not equal, right? So therefore over here we have to be careful when we do this one here. So let's copy first here. So you can do this one is nothing more than I would take over here. This one is saying here, I will take the less than K, which in this case would be less than 3, right? Yeah, right there. And then I subtract less than 2. Yeah. So over here, that I use less than 3, that means I including 3 right here. But this one right here, I mean, I subtract less than equal to that it doesn't work because I want between 2, so I don't want 2. So therefore over here, this one they have equal side right here. So let's take a look at the thing here to make sure that you understand what does that mean here, right? So this one right here, so I will have this one will be 3 right here, right? So less than 3, that's what this thing right here, yeah, all the way over here, that's what they say right here, less than 3, less than 3 right here. And now I want uh, more than 2, right? So I want more than 2. So more than 2. So let me change to the color here. So this here is 2 right here, okay? And this is 3 right here. Yeah. So I want 3 included, right? See, I have less than 3, right? And then I want more than 2. So this one not including this part right here, the whole right here. So I'm gonna go greater, right? This one right here, you see that? So this one is, but this one here, that's what they say right here. But this one I want including 2. So I'm gonna have right here including 2. So therefore over here, instead of do 2 over here, I have to do this one. I have to do this one would be have to be 1 instead, right? So instead of 2, I have to do 1 because I want to subtract the 1. Then I will have including 2 right here. Remember, this is discrete, so very important that you do that part right here. So I'm gonna evaluate this. Then I will have my answer for this part in this way. Yeah. So draw the picture, you will see things easier. Now, now they said, what is probability that you win 2 prizes or fewer? That means it go right here, Yeah. So I'm gonna do this one here. So I'm gonna do P binomial, and here I want to take 2, right? 2, and then NP, right? So this would be my answer for this part right here. Yeah. For this, and you will see my answer for this one right here. So I submit. I should have all correct answer for this part. Yeah. So I hope it helped. So again, for binomial distribution, very important, the equal, including equal sign or not. That is will get you different numbers. So be careful with that one.